Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Peloton how to change credit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To update your credit card information, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then once inside, on the search bar type in onepeloton.com and then hit enter. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply sign in with your credentials. Then once you are signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select my accounts from the drop down menu. Then in the left hand menu, click on payment methods. Then once you're inside, to add a new card, simply click on add payment method, then enter your new credit card details and save the information. Then if you want to edit an existing card, click on edit icon next to the card you wish to update and modify the necessary details and save the changes. Then if you have added a new card, ensure it's set as a default payment method by clicking on set as default next to the card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.